Welcome back to Natural Recipes. If you are looking for a simple, natural way to achieve a youthful glow and tighten your skin from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Today, we are making a powerful DIY face-lifting mask using everyday ingredients. Our first superstar ingredient is a fresh carrot. Why carrots? They are packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A, which acts like a natural retinol for your skin. It helps to increase cell turnover, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and restore that youthful elasticity we all love. Start by peeling and finely grating the carrot. Grating it finely is important because it helps release all those beautiful, nutrient-rich natural juices that our skin is going to absorb. For this anti-aging recipe, we will need exactly 2 tablespoons of grated carrots. Place them into a clean glass bowl. Next, we need the brightening and tightening power of a fresh lemon. Lemon juice is nature's amazing astringent. It is incredibly rich in vitamin C, a vital antioxidant that helps even out your skin tone, fade dark spots, and most importantly, it naturally promotes your skin's collagen production. Collagen is the essential protein responsible for keeping your skin firm, tight, and wrinkle-free. Cut your lemon in half and squeeze out the fresh juice. We need to add exactly 2 tablespoons of this fresh lemon juice to our grated carrots. Now for our final secret ingredient, natural plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle alpha hydroxy acid that safely dissolves dead skin cells, helping to reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. It also provides deep hydration so your skin doesn't feel dry or tight. Add 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt to the bowl. Now, take a spoon and mix everything together thoroughly until you get a smooth, beautiful, creamy paste. To use this mask, always start with a freshly cleansed and dry face. Apply this mixture evenly all over your face and neck. As you apply it, gently massage your skin in upward circular motions. This upward massage technique is crucial. It boosts blood circulation and gives your face a natural lifting effect. Leave the mask on your skin for 20 minutes to allow the vitamins and antioxidants to deeply penetrate your pores. Once the time is up, wash it off gently with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and immediately apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Use this mask 2 times a week for beautifully firm skin. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets.